A neon sign blinks on a planet. The sign reads, "Place your bets." A neon skyline wraps the planet. People queue in long lines. Faces in that line, waiting. The sky glitters like a slot machine. The metaphor is simple. The world now runs like games of chance. Risk replaces responsibility. Short-term gain beats long-term care. Consider one bright example. Big banks now sell fast bets tied to tiny moves in markets. Traders and flashing market screens, micro moves. They call them products. They sell them like games. A woman named Maria stands in a long line to cash out her savings. She blinks under the neon.
I did not plan to play this game.
She needed income. She needed hope. She hit the button anyway. Banks once funded farms and factories. They now spin bets on prices and bets on bets. The math is complex, but the intent is clear. Money moved from building to betting. One strong example is shadow banking. Complex loans are sliced and resold. Risk is moved, not reduced. Profit is made by trading risk, not by making things. A man named Omar lost part of his retirement to one such trade. He had worked 30 years. He trusted the fund managers. They turned his pension into a gamble. He received a note, then a smaller check. Rules changed slowly. Incentives pushed firms to take more risk. Regulators retreated. The game grew faster than the guardrails. The house set the table. Everyday needs now carry market tickets. Houses trade like commodities. Health is priced in options and premiums. Education is a bet on future income. One clear example is housing. Investors buy homes to flip or to rent at high rates. Neighborhoods change for profit. Families get moved out or priced out. Lena, a teacher, lost the apartment she loved. The landlord sold to an investor. Rent shot up in 1 month. Lena had to move far away. Her children changed schools. Her hours at work doubled. The result is daily life under odds. People budget for sudden auctions. They take extra shifts. They borrow more. The market decides who stays and who goes. Section 4. Tech as slot machines. Design that hooks and keeps you. Technology now uses ancient gambling tricks. Designers use variable rewards. They hide the clock. They make it hard to stop. The aim is attention and engagement, not well-being. A strong tech example is infinite scroll. The feed gives hits at random times. That pattern triggers the brain's reward system. People return again and again. Time disappears. A college student named Jamie checks her phone between classes. She feels the pull and knows the tricks. She still scrolls for hours. Her sleep shrinks. Her focus fades. She blames herself. She blames the app. The machines are clever. They collect data. They tune the hooks. They sell attention to advertisers. Section 5. Politics and media on the odds. Outrage as currency. News ticker transforms into a spinning wheel of fortune. Politics and media now act like betting exchanges. Outrage wins attention. Sensation wins clicks. The strategy is to keep people reacting, not reflecting. A clear example is headline auctions. Editors chase clicks with sharp claims. Social platforms boost what provokes. Nuance gets squeezed out for speed. Tom, an activist, watches the news cycle spin fast. He posts a sharp take. It gets shares. Then heat. The next day, a new outrage erases it. He feels drained and unheard. The cycle sells more ads. Then it builds law. Short bursts of fury replace steady civic work. Debates thin into bets. On who will shout louder. Trust erodes. Political life becomes a score. Section 6. Precarious work and the gig trap. Work has become more like bets for survival. Gig jobs pay per task. Benefits vanish. Hours flex to the company, not to the worker. The line between work and life blurs. A strong example is app-based delivery. Drivers chase demand peaks. They wait for surge pricing. Income shifts with weather and events. There is no steady wage. A courier named Arjun drives 14 hours some days. He earns little the next. He pays for his own insurance and fuel. He waits for a tip. His time becomes a set of odds, not a planned life. This setup shifts risk to people. Companies claim flexibility. Workers call it insecurity. The modern job is a gamble on daily luck, not a promise. Section 7. Debt, the house, the drivers, and the worldview shift. Debt now acts as the entry fee to the game. Credit cards, student loans, payday debt let people play. The house then designs the odds. Losses go public. Gains stay private. The house always wins. One example is student debt. Young people borrow for education. They hope for higher pay later. When the market shifts, they still owe. The lender keeps the claim. The borrower pays the price. Meet Keisha, who took loans for school. Her first job paid less than she hoped. Her loan grew with interest. She chose payments over a move or a family. Her choices narrowed. Debt decided her path. Behind this are clear drivers. Incentives beat ethics. Deregulation removed limits. Fiat money. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.